In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Google Slides presentations with live annotations. Enabling this feature can help you emphasize important points and direct your audience's attention exactly where you want it during a presentation. Let's dive right in and explore this handy tool. First, let's start by opening up your Google Slides presentation. If you don't already have it open, take a moment to navigate to Google Slides and select the presentation you want to work with. Once you have your presentation opened, your next move is to click on the Present button, or you might see it labeled as Slideshow, depending on your version. This action will take you into presentation mode, where your slides are displayed in full screen mode and ready for you to present to your audience. Now that you're in presentation mode, focus your attention on the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a toolbar that appears when you hover your mouse in this area. On this toolbar, there is a three-dot menu icon, which is your gateway to several helpful features. Go ahead and click on this three-dot menu to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select the option titled Turn on Pen. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quick shortcut, you can simply press Shift and L on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly activates the pen tool, allowing you to draw on your slides. Now that you have your pen tool activated, it's time to choose a color for your annotations. Google Slides offers a selection of colors for you to use, including red, black, blue, and green. Select the color that best suits the theme of your presentation or that will stand out most effectively on your slides. Remember, the choice of color can influence how your audience perceives and engages with your content. So choose wisely based on what message you want to emphasize. With your color selected, you're all set to begin annotating directly on your slides. This tool is really handy for a variety of purposes. You can underline key text to highlight important information, circle items that you want your audience to focus on, or even draw arrows to indicate a sequence of points or to connect ideas visually. The ability to interact with your slides this way can greatly enhance the clarity and engagement of your presentation. If you find that your annotations are becoming cluttered, or if you want a fresh start, you can easily erase all your work. While still in presentation mode, look for the eraser icon, which should be within the same menu where you found the pen tool. You also have the option of pressing the shortcut Shift and A to clear all annotations from your slides. By following these steps, you can make your Google Slides presentations more dynamic and engaging for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.